Now that we've logged into our Jeffco Google Apps, and now it's being called Jeffco Google Drive, let's take a look a little bit around at the interface. You notice up here there are ways of switching our tools, so I could go from Drive to, for example, Calendar if I wanted to. The buttons here are different ways of sorting your list of documents. You can switch to a list view, or you can go to a grid. I prefer the list view. Over here on the left-hand side is a way that you can create some documents that we're going to look at in just a little bit. You can star your documents. You can go to documents that are just shared with you instead of those that you create. So there are different ways of navigating that. If you throw something away, you can look again in the trash. I'm going to go back up to my Drive. And here are my list of documents. And it shows who owns the documents, who's shared them with me, and who made the last modification. Now that we know our way a little bit around the interface, let's go ahead and create a document. And I'm going to show you two different ways of getting documents or creating them here in Jeffco Google Apps. And the first way I'm going to show you is how to upload something that you've already created. So we can upload files. And I browse to my desktop here, and here are some things I could upload. We can, in fact, even upload Notebook 11 files, but today for this demonstration, we're going to upload a document here, this SSN permission file, and we're going to go ahead and open that. The next step is it will ask you if you want to convert your documents to the Google format, or if you want to keep them as a document, as a Word document. The advantage to using them in a Jeffco Docs format is that because it's living within Google, and sometimes it's a little easier to manage. And another advantage is that we have 5 gigabytes of storage space, and if you convert the document to Google Docs format, it doesn't take up any of that storage space. So I'm going to go ahead and convert and start my upload. You'll notice down here, here's this little status bar, and it's converted just like that. And here is my final permission form in Google Docs format. I want to show you how you can tell that the different icons of the Google Docs format or the regular Word format. So I'm going to go back and upload my files. I'm going to go to the same file, open it up there, and this time I'm not going to convert that. I'm going to upload just a regular Word document. And there you can see the differences in the icons there. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to create using the Google Documents format. So when you click on the Create button, you're given your choices of creating a document, a presentation like PowerPoint, a spreadsheet like Excel, a form, a drawing, or a folder. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple document. As you can see, this looks very familiar to the tools that we have in Microsoft Office. The first thing I'm going to do is give my document a title. And we're going to call this My First Google Document. And click OK there. And there the title changed. You'll notice, I don't know if you noticed, but it saves the changes automatically. You could go back, of course, and rename your document if you'd like to. And here are some of the familiar menu bar options, and we have our toolbars. And we're going to say, I am very eager to learn more about Google Docs. Put an exclamation point. And we can change the color of our text. We can make our text larger. And all of that, we're saving. All of that is saved. And that's our first original Google Docs creation. To view your creation, to go back to your list, you notice that when you hover over this arrow, it pops up and you can go back to your Google Drive. And there is your creation.